you, I.C.T. Newbie.
In March 2025, Mexican customers visited our company's factory and conducted an acceptance inspection of the equipment they had already purchased. Our engineering team had in-depth communication with the customers, optimized and debugged the equipment according to the customer's requirements, and provided comprehensive operation guidance and training. It mainly includes equipment debugging, software programming, small batch trial production, and maintenance. The acceptance work was successfully completed in accordance with the strict standards of actual production. I.C.T. not only delivered the equipment perfectly, but more importantly, provided a complete factory solution, helping customers to establish a whole factory from scratch in a one-stop manner and realize the process from accurate sample making to smooth mass production. Moreover, we will always be with our customers to provide continuous and full-set technical support throughout the whole process.
So at this time, we start with our customer in Mexico. They help us to start with this, acquire this equipment, and I'm so happy to be working with him.
We are glad to represent I.C.T. company and also to bring to Mexico this outformed technology that could be capable to do insertion of terminals plus axial and radial. So it's a really good multifunctional machine. Thank you, I.C.T.
Newbie.
Newbie.